Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here. And today we're going to just do a quick video about these two devices. This is Apple Pencil Generation 1. This is Gen 2. Now, we all know this pencil has been out for a couple of years now. Great device, goes with the iPad 9.7, the 12-inch, and the 10.5. But now we have the new one. Now, only differences are this one used to have the lightning adapter on it. These tips are replaceable, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't have any magnetic features, nothing. This one, the new one, Gen 2, is flat on one side, so it doesn't roll as this one would. It's magnetic, as you can tell. This is a steel table, sticks magnetically, and it also sticks magnetically to the side of the tablet. They didn't send any extra tips, so I'm not sure if they're replaceable. I'll find out. Nothing else was in the box, no tips. This one came with an extra tip and a charging adapter, which I lost. So it's good that they don't have adapters anymore. You can just pop it onto the side. It charges, it syncs, it does everything directly through the side. It also has a feature built into it where double tap your screen, which that one would do that. But the feature I want you to notice is if you're writing and say you want to swap or you want to erase, you double tap, it goes to your eraser. Double tap, you can go back to writing. Double tap, erases, double tap, back to writing. So neat little feature there, and this can be customized. It has up to like 3 or 4 settings that you can go through, and you can customize your actual double tap, and it works from over here as well. As you can see, I'm double tapping, so you don't have to hover right up above it as you would like with the Samsung S Pen. You can be over here, it's still connected, and it is going back and forth. Two great devices, two different functionalities. This one charges physically through the lightning adapter, which blocks off you from charging your tablet and charging this at the same time. This one sticks directly to the side, and once it sticks to that side, it charges and syncs and does everything through there. So like I said, both good devices, both great accessories. They're both doing their own thing. This one is going to run you $100. This one's going to run you an extra 29. So 129 over here, 100 over here. If you're going to have anything other than iPad 11 or 12, you're going to need this one. This will not work with 11 and 12. Keep that in mind. The iPad 11-inch and the new iPad 12-inch will not work with this Apple Pencil. You have to get this one. This will not sync. This syncs when you plug it in. This syncs when you plug it onto the side. So hope that's able to help someone make a decision so that you're not going to be able to think that you're going to get the new iPad and use this. If you get the new iPad and you want a pencil, you have to upgrade. So hope this helps. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.